Look, guys, I wanna show you this. The blue bikinis, guys. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan, guys. Ayan, pack na pack yan. Buy bikinis for today. Wow! Look, guys, I have a three bikinis here. Look, guys, oh, ang ganda ng kanyang color. Ayan, a nut color and then a red color. Ayan, parang ang ganda nito, guys. And this is the blue color. So, ay, ipipit na natin siya, guys. Ipipit na natin. Ayan, I really love this, ano, guys. Ayan. So, I wanna fit this, guys. Ta-da! Look, guys, the red color. I really love it. Siya, guys, oh. Pack na pack siya. I really love it. Siya, guys. Ayan. Yung ating red color. Next natin, guys, ito. Ito, guys, yung dalawa. Ayan. Ayan. I really love it. This is the nude color, guys. Ayan. I really love it. Pack na pack. And siya, guys. Ganda ng kanyang color. And the blue color. The last but not the least. And guys, I really love the color. And then guys, 4 pieces for only 250 pesos. O, diba? Ang ganda niya, guys. Ang ganda niya na. Ayan. Ayan. So, ito naman yung ating ipipit, guys. Yung color blue. The last color, guys. The blue color. I really love it. Guys, pack na pack yan. Kanyang likuran. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda. Ganda niya, guys. Ayan. I really love it. Pack na pack. The blue color. So, ayan na, guys. Yung ating 4 bikinis na ang ganda. Ayan. I really love it. Ayan. Ano ng bet niya, guys? The red, the nut color, or the blue one. Or, ayan. Ayan. So, finish.